In this video, I will show you how to remove background noise from your microphone on Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. So if you are trying to use your microphone but it's picking up background noise, maybe you've got some static or some sort of buzzing noise in the background, there's a couple of things you can do to remove the background noise. First, what you're going to want to do from your desktop is if you come down to the bottom right hand corner of your taskbar, and what you want to do is right click onto this little speaker icon down here, and on this menu that comes up, come and click onto sound settings. Now what that's going to do is open a window like this. From here, scroll down until you see the advanced section and then click onto more sound settings. What's going to happen is a small window is going to pop up like this. From here, what you want to do is come up to the top and click onto the recording tab at the top here, and you should see your microphone in here. So you can see mine's down here. What you then want to do is right click onto your microphone, come down and click onto properties, and that's going to open a window like this. And from here, you want to come up to the top, click onto the levels tab up here, and make sure the volume is turned down to around 89. What you can also do is click onto the advanced tab at the top. And if you do have audio enhancements ticked, you can try unticking this and also unticking the option here to allow applications to take control of this device. Once you've made any changes, be sure to come down, click apply and OK. And then what you can do is see if that improves your microphone and removes any background noise. Now, if that didn't work for you and you're still getting some background noise, the next thing you can try is from your desktop. If you come down to your search box in your taskbar at the bottom, in your search box, you want to type Realtek like this. And then what you want to do is open up the Realtek audio console, which should come up underneath Best Match. Now, if you don't have this installed, you can download this for absolutely free. And once you've opened this, if you come to the left hand side, you should see your microphone showing up underneath recording devices. Give it a click, and what that's going to do is open up some settings for that microphone. And what you want to do is look for an option called noise suppression. Now, just to note, this is not available on all microphones. This is only available on some models. As you can see for myself, I currently don't have it. But if you do, and there's an option for noise suppression, make sure to tick that box, and that should go ahead and remove any background noise from your microphone on Windows 11. So that's how to remove background noise from your microphone on Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.